Nukes, it's Wednesday. It's hump day. Means we're halfway. It's a Friday. And no, I'm not Dr. Seuss. Uh, Today I want to talk about uranium. Not the stock though. We're gonna give that a break because we keep talking about it so much, it just keeps going up. And I keep cost averaging up. So if we don't talk about it, maybe there'll be a dip and I can buy some more. And so can you. Anyway, have you ever wondered where nuclear fuel comes from and how it's made? Well, nuclear fuel is Mother Nature, along with some other things. My Apple Watch was about to tell me more about nuclear fuel, but anyway, it's mined. And when I say it's not nuclear fuel yet. It is uranium ore, which is mined and then milled and essentially milled, turned into this powdery substance called yellow cake, U3O8. Uranium, by the way, has three main isotopes: U238, U235, and U234. And I'm pretty sure I would have failed that question on a test in high school. But anyway, after it is milled and mined, it then goes in for conversion, where it's basically broken back down into a chemical where it'll then go off for enrichment most of the time, at least nuclear fuel here in the US. And after it's enriched, it's got one last stop for fabrication. It's fuel fabrication. And it's put into these rods. And then it's sent off to the generation station, baby. That is how you come up with nuclear fuel. Let's go, nuke, baby. Happy hum day. Let's go.